Guys, this is my first YouTube video and I thought of starting with an unboxing of a beauty box. Uh, I am obsessed to makeup. I'm obsessed to looking good. So I hope it's going on well, and please shower all your love and support on this YouTube channel. So now let's start with the boxing. So today I'll be unboxing the Vanity Cask beauty box. So now you can see it comes in a cardboard box which I've removed, and this is the box which looks like from inside. There's a sellotape here, so we need to start with cutting it off. I've already opened it, so it will be easier for me to take it out for the video. I'm so sorry for the disturbance around and all that, just excuse me. So once you open the box from inside looks like this. It's a black color box which has got these vector images in glossy effect which says Vanity Cask, and that's in a mirror, and below there is a dressing table. If you can see this, these are all the products. So now let's start with it. So after I've opened the box looks like this. There's one 20% ka coupon. Okay, I'll mention all the details in the description box below. And there is one booklet which says the hair edit, because this is a hair beauty box, and you guys all know that I have got long hair and I love pampering my hair. So let's see what is written in it. And this is my package, which is parceled in this pink color, cute hot pink potli. So this is the hair edit book. So there they have mentioned the curation story and the products, what products they have included and what are the uses and all. So now I'll show you the products one by one. Excited! I've not opened this as of now. I've just cut the sellotape. So let me see what is there. So the first product that comes out. Okay, these are the first products. So this is an OGS. It's OGS is the company's name. Both the products are from OGS. One is the Healing and Vitamin E shampoo. So it's a shampoo and a conditioner sachet, and I think this is of 7.4 ml each. So it's, I think, for my hair length is the waist. It's a one-time use. The second one is Strength and Bamboo Fiber Full Shampoo, and this is also a 7.4 sample, which is a shampoo and conditioner. So now let's dig in for the second product. Oh my god, if you can see this. Okay, so this is the Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. So it's a very small deluxe sample. It's of 10 ml, I guess. And how do you use it? Okay, let me read it. Apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair. Style as usual. So I think this is a hair serum which you need to apply after you wash your hair. So it's pretty expensive. Like, let me just tell you the prices and all for this. Wait, let me just... Oh shoot, they've not mentioned the prices, so I don't know how much it is and what it is. So I'll mention everything, whatever information I get, in the description box below. Okay, so this is our second product. Okay, this is a third product. So this is Rosemary Hibiscus Hair Mask. It's by the Nature's Co. And the basic function of this, it prevents hair loss, thinning hair, premature graying by gradually darkening existing gray hair. It discourages split ends, keep dandruff at bay, and gives sheen to dull, damaged hair. And the ingredients in this product is rosemary powder, hibiscus powder, Indian gooseberry powder, fenugreek powder, and powder base US. So I think this is a natural product. It's by the Nature's Co, and I guess they are into all natural and organic products. So let's dig in. So this is my third product. Let's dig in the fourth product. Okay, so this is the fourth product. It's by Wattray. It's a rejuvenating hair oil with rosemary oil. So it's a premium and natural blend of natural oils with herbal extracts best suitable to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. So let's read the ingredients. The ingredients are like really long and I love this. That's the reason I bought this box. Coconut oil, jojoba oil. Jojoba is jojoba in India. Like we pronounce it as jojoba, but it is actually jojoba oil. Almond oil, sesame oil, amla extract, rosemary oil, jaswand extract. Jaswand is hibiscus. Gotu kola, I am not sure about what this is. Olive oil, bhringraj. Fenugreek is methi, flaxseed, hibiscus, lemongrass and rosehip oil. So this is also a very small sample size, and I think this is of how many ml. Let me just check. Oh, it's not mentioned on the bottle. Oh, it's not mentioned on the bottle, so I'll just whatever information I get, I'll put it in the description box. So this is the fourth product. Now the fifth product. So the fifth product is by Balmain Paris, and these are, I think, hair expression highlights. If I'm not wrong, they are hair extensions. It's pretty cool, you don't need to have long hair. You can just put this too for styling your hair or whatever, and you can color this. You can add on whatever to give a tinge of this color. So nice. I'm excited about this. So now let's see what I got. I got this Balmain thing. I got a Wattray hair oil. Wattray. I got rose, Moroccan oil sample. I got a rosemary and hibiscus hair pack. Okay. And I've got two samples. Sorry, I've got two samples of OGS hair sachets. So I'll mention this code below. If anybody wants to get a 20% discount, please visit their website. Bye guys. Love you. Take care. And this is not a sponsored video. This is just something that I felt like ordering, so I've ordered. Please share love and your support by commenting on this YouTube video, and please let me know how I can improve this. And I'm really sorry about the background and noise. I'll try and make better videos next time. Thank you so much. Ciao.